In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sold prices on eBay step by step. Whether you're a seasoned seller or someone just curious about market trends, knowing the final selling price of items can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into this straightforward process and see how you can uncover these prices easily. First things first, you'll need to go to eBay by typing ebay.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to eBay's homepage, a familiar place if you're an avid user. Here, we'll begin our search for that item's sold prices. Once you're on eBay's homepage, the next step is to locate the search bar, which is prominently displayed near the top of the page. Enter the name of the item you're interested in. You can be as specific or as broad as you like, depending on whether you have a particular brand or model in mind. Type in your item name, for instance, pickleball paddle, and press enter or click the search button to get your results. After the search results load, you'll be presented with a variety of listings related to your search. But what we're looking for is not just any listing. We're interested in those that have actually sold. To find this, we need to use a filter option that eBay provides. Navigate your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice various filter options that help narrow down your search. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Show Only. This section allows you to refine your search with specific criteria. Among these options, you'll see one called Sold Items. Clicking on Sold Items filters your search results to show only the listings of items that have already been purchased. This is a treasure trove of data. If you're analyzing the market or setting prices for items you intend to sell, by selecting Sold Items, eBay will refresh your search results to display all of the items that match your search query and have been recently sold. You can now browse through these listings and observe the final selling prices. This gives you a clear understanding of what people are actually paying for the item you're interested in, helping you to gauge its current market value. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find sold prices on eBay. This quick and easy method can provide invaluable insights, whether you're buying, selling, or simply keeping an eye on market trends. So next time you're planning a purchase or listing an item for sale, remember to check the sold prices. It can make a big difference in how you approach your buying or selling strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy searching on eBay.